Creamy coconut candy in a pressure cooker, ready in 3 minutes. In a pressure cooker, start by adding half a cup of sugar. Mix until the sugar turns into caramel. This is the perfect consistency. Next, add a tablespoon of butter or margarine. Now add 200 grams of heavy cream and mix again. Then add a 395-gram can of condensed milk. Add 100 milliliters of milk and 100 grams of shredded coconut. Mix everything together well. When it starts bubbling, close the lid and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let it cool and your creamy coconut candy is ready. Look how amazing it is. Quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.